This is the usual food time in this house. We've got the two cats down here. Right, so there's Freya's food, and then quickly take Tigo away with his nose in the bowl. No, come here. No. It's your food, okay? And we'll go in here. Oh! And then we'll shut this door. Shut this door to keep them separate. This happens every meal time. Tigo's finished his food down here, and in the other room Freya's finished her food. So we open the door and everyone changes places, and Freya cleans Tigo's bowl, and then in here Tigo cleans Freya's bowl, and everybody's happy.